Good morning, students. This is part 4 of Ashran based numerical problems for the chapter Force and Laws of Motion. So let us start. So the first question is, a gun of mass 3 kg fires a bullet of mass 30 grams. The bullet takes 0.003 seconds to move through the barrel of the gun and acquires a velocity of 100 meter per second. Calculate first the velocity with which the gun recoils, and second the force exerted on gunman due to recoiling of the gun. So here we will note down first what is given. So for gun, mass of gun is given 3 kilograms, velocity we don't know, and for bullet its mass is given 30 grams, which we convert into kilograms, so it will be 0.03 kilograms, and its velocity is also given 100 meter per second. Now here we are going to apply the law of conservation of momentum, that is m1v1 equals to m2v2. Placing the values of the gun and bullet accordingly, we can calculate the velocity with which the gun will recoil. So it came out to be 1 meter per second. So with this velocity the gun will recoil. Now for the second part of the question, we have to calculate the acceleration of bullet. As we know, acceleration is v minus u upon t. We are going to place the values accordingly. V is 100, initial velocity is 0, and time is 0.03003 seconds. So we can easily calculate the acceleration, and acceleration came out to be 33,333.33 meter per second square. Now we have to calculate the force. The force is F equals to mass into acceleration. Calculating the force accordingly, we will get the answer, and the answer is 1000 newtons. Next numerical is, a 1000 kilogram vehicle moving with a speed of 20 meter per second is brought to rest in a distance of 50 meters. First, find the acceleration. Second, calculate the unbalanced force acting on the vehicles. So here, vehicle mass is given 1000 kilograms. Its initial velocity is 20 meter per second, and final velocity will be 0 because it will come to rest, and the distance traveled by the vehicle is 50 meter. So first we will calculate the acceleration. So applying the equation of motion, v square equals to u square plus 2as, we calculate the acceleration, placing the value of v, which is 0, and u is 20, acceleration we don't know, and the distance traveled is 50. Now solving accordingly, the acceleration came out to be negative 4 meter per second square. This negative sign indicates that there is retardation, so this retardation is 4 meter per second square. Next numerical is, a 150-gram ball traveling at 30 meter per second strikes the palm of a player's hand and is stopped in 0.05 seconds. Find the force exerted by the ball on the hand. So here, mass of ball is given 150 grams, which is in kilogram is 0.15. Initial velocity is given 30 meter per second. Final velocity will be 0 because the player is going to stop the ball. Time is given 0.05 seconds. So since force equals to mass into acceleration, and acceleration is further v minus u upon t, placing all the values, the force calculated to be minus 90 newtons. Next numerical is, an unloaded truck weighing 2000 kilograms has a maximum acceleration of 0.5 meter per second square. What is the maximum acceleration when it is carrying a load of 2000 kilograms? So here they have given the variation in the mass. So for unloaded truck, the mass is 2000 kilograms, acceleration is 0.5 meter per second square. As force is mass into acceleration, the force calculated is 1000 newtons. Now for the loaded truck, So loaded truck means there will be mass of truck and there will be mass of the load. So total mass is 4000 kilograms. Force will be 1000 newtons only, but we have to check the change in acceleration. Since force is equals to mass into acceleration, placing the value of force and mass, acceleration came out to be 0.25 meter per second square. So this is all for today. Do not forget to practice these sums twice. Thank you. Have a nice day.